Stuffed turkey breast. We will need 3 older rolls to prepare the filling. Cut the rolls into small cubes. Finely chop the leek and keep it aside for now. Finely chop fresh parsley and add it to the mixture. Add milk to the rolls and parsley to moisten the rolls. Mix together and add milk if needed. Peel 1 clove of garlic and finely chop it. Salt the garlic and rub it with a knife into a fine garlic paste. Add the garlic to the stuffing. Pepper the stuffing and add some dried paprika and salt. Mix all the ingredients. Fry finely chopped leeks in hot oil. Prepare the turkey breast in such a way that its thickness is as uniform everywhere as possible and that you get as much surface as possible on which you can spread the stuffing. Salt, pepper and rub mustard on the meat. Place slices of cheese and ham on the top of the meat. Add the cooled roasted leeks to the stuffing and mix everything thoroughly. Place the stuffing on top of the meat and spread evenly over the entire surface. Roll the meat and fix it with toothpicks. It doesn't matter at all if the stuffing runs out the side. Add a little oil to a glass baking dish and let it spread all over the surface. Place the meat to a baking dish and bake for 40 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Stuffed turkey breast is delicious with mashed potatoes. Watch the video on how to prepare such excellent mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and if you watch some of my other videos, I will be very happy. Bye!